SAMR is a model created for educators so they can integrate ICT into teaching. In SAMR, each letter stands for a different level of technology integration. S is for substitution, where a direct technology tool substitution is added with no functional change. Example, using Word instead of writing. A is for augmentation, which is where tech adds functional improvement with a direct tool change. An example being a video to add more depth when learning a topic. M is for modification, where technology allows for a significant task redesign. An example being using iMovie to create a project. Finally, R is redefinition, is where tech allows for the creation of a new task. An example being a collaborative artwork on collaborative whiteboards. Thank you.